Huh?
You gonna tell him to go back to sleep?
Oh.
Wake up, sleep.
She was so much cuter before.
Oh gosh. Her hair is combed. For those of you who are wondering.
You gonna jump? 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
You gonna jump?